Struggling to get your business to rank on Google? You're not alone. Most small businesses fall into the same SEO traps. Let's start with keyword stuffing. Repeating your main keyword too much makes content awkward and unreadable. Instead, write naturally using variations and related phrases. Skipping title tags or meta descriptions? That's like showing up to an event without a name tag. Each page needs a custom title and description. Is your site loading slowly? That's a big red flag. Compress images, use caching, and speed things up. Don't ignore mobile users. Make sure your website works smoothly on every screen. If you're a local business, claim your Google Business profile and keep your name, address, and phone number consistent. And beware of bad backlinks. Focus on quality over quantity. Disavow spammy ones. Finally, track everything. Google Analytics and Search Console help you measure what's working and what's not. Want help getting your SEO back on track? MarketinGear specializes in turning mistakes into momentum. Let's grow your business together.